Welcome to the enigmatic realm of hair luminance, where the secrets of hair transformation lie hidden in the depths of darkness, waiting to be unveiled by those who dare to seek its mysteries. Dare to embark on a journey of transformation with Hair Luminance. Discover hidden recipes whispered through the ages, designed to rejuvenate your hair and restore its natural vitality. Embrace the power of nature and witness your hair bloom with newfound beauty. With Hair Luminance as your guide, the possibilities for your hair are endless. Let each page of Hair Luminance be a step forward on your journey towards hair rejuvenation, and let the wisdom within its pages illuminate your path to radiant locks. Embrace the transformative journey that Hair Luminance offers, and let your hair become a reflection of your inner strength and beauty. Discover the joy of self-discovery and let Hair Luminance unlock the potential within your hair.